No matter which high-level language you program in, whether it be Python, VB, C#, or one of the many others, they are all translated eventually into what is known as assembly language. Assembly languages are what is known as low-level languages. These are executed directly as machine code within the CPU. Each line of high-level language code is often converted into many lines of assembly code via the use of a compiler or interpreter. These converted lines of assembly code each consist of an opcode, this is the actual instruction, often followed by an operand, this is an item of data that the instruction has to apply to. Each type of processor has its own unique instruction set of low-level assembly codes available to it. This means an assembly language program written for one processor, say an ARM processor, will not work on an Intel or an AMD processor. Because assembly languages translate directly into machine codes, these instruction sets allow us to represent the actual binary ones and zeros by using short codes known as mnemonics. This is so we don't have to actually remember or code the actual binary values themselves.